Talofa, my name is Logan Tapawala, and today I'll be teaching you about fire safety. So number one would be lighting and extinguishing. When you're lighting your fire knife, you want to make sure you light it up a safe distance away from the fuel. And also when you're extinguishing, the same thing. So when you're lighting, you want to make sure that's away from wherever you're lighting and where you're extinguishing. This is probably too close, but this is just for an example. Number two would be fire safety while performing. So when you're performing, you want to make sure you have someone there with you at all times, so that they could keep you safe while you're performing. So they can let you know if you're on fire or whatnot, and you guys can have codes for stuff like that. And you always want to make sure that that person has something to put the fire out that's either on the floor or on you. So for example, we got a fire blanket. That's what I have. So yeah. So never perform by yourself, and perform with someone with you at all times. And number three would be keep your knives away from the fuel even after the performance. Just in case that the knife will be like still very hot, and don't take it inside as well. Leave it outside where it could cool down. And yeah, that's three. So bonus tip, make sure you keep your fuel outside of the sun. You never know, it might catch fire.